Hey everyone, do you find it confusing while solving these types of equations like solve for x or y? So don't worry, today I am going to explain the easiest way to solve these types of equations with linear equations in just a seconds with step-by-step explanation and examples. Let's start with simple example x plus 10 is equal to 20. So here everyone know this is variable and this will be the constant. When you are solving the equation, always try to take variables to one side and the constants to one side. So when you are changing the number to equals, so plus will changes to minus, minus will changes to plus, multiplication will changes to division and division will changes to multiplication. Means if you are transferring plus 10 to this side, it will become negative like this, minus to plus and multiplication to division. So here, so keep x here only, send this 10 to that side. So this it will become minus 10, then x is equal to 10. So this is the answer. Whatever may be the variable, we always use the centering. So variables to one side, constants to one side, then solve the equation, you will get the answer. So here y minus 3 is equal to 7. So here we have negative. If you send negative this side, it will become positive, right? So keep y here only, then 7. This if it goes to this side, 7 plus 3, then y is equal to 10. Easy, right? Let's solve some more examples. 2x plus 5 is equal to x plus 7. If you observe the equation, both the sides will have x. So we should take all the constant to one side and all the variables to one side, right? So here 2x and x are variables, right? So can I take x to this side? Here actually positive is there. If it comes to here, it will be negative. So 2x minus x. And here 7, write as it is. Here plus 5 will come to this side. It will 7 minus 5. 2x minus x is x and 7 minus 5 is 2. Easy, right? Yes. Whenever you have a mixture of like bracket numbers which is equal to the constant, so how we should solve? See here we have a multiplication here, right? So if it is multiplication, if it changes to equal, then it will changes to division, right? So keep x plus 2 here only. Then 18 and what we have this will comes to denominator 3 6 then x plus 2 is equal to 6 and x is equal to 6 minus 2 means this plus if it comes to it is negative then x is equal to 4. See here you need to remember, so when you are solving mixed terms of both variables and constant, always takes variables to one side, constant to one side, like like terms to one side and like terms to one side, then you simplify the equation, you will get the answer. Level of the solving for the equation, let's take in the form of fraction like x by 3 and x by 2, then find the value of x. So here two methods are there to do, one is LCM method and another one is butterfly method. So you can use any of the method, you will get the answer. See here I will use butterfly method, like this and this. X into 2 is 2x, then what you sign plus and x into 3 is 3x. Then after that multiply the denominator, 3 2s are 6. Then what you have in the equals, then write it. Right? Then at least then 1 will be there, right? So then do the cross multiply again. So 2x plus 3x is, see, both have same terms or like terms. So can we add this? So you will get 5x. Then 6 into 5. Then 5x is equal to 6 5s are 30 now. Okay. Then here we have a multiplication, it comes to denominator 30 by 5 and 5 6 are 30. So x is equal to 6. So usually most of the students what they will do, so here only they will take like x is equal to 30 minus 5 like that they will do. So that is wrong. So this is the way to solve the equations. I think you'll learn the trick how to solve the basic linear equations using some rules, right? So if this video helpful for you, hit the like button, share it with your friends and family and subscribe for more Vedic maths tutorials like this and drop a comment if you want some more examples of this type like this. Until then, keep